Argentum nitricum. This medicine is preeminently a neurotic medicine. Everywhere the neurotic and intellectual symptoms are predominant, you find nervous headache, nervous diarrhea, and many affections related to anxiety and fear. There are symptoms of incoordination, loss of control, and want of balance everywhere, both mentally and physically, and also trembling in affected parts. The characteristic symptoms of the drug are desire for sweets, splinter-like pains, free mucopurulent discharge from the inflamed and ulcerated mucous membranes. It acts on brain, spinal cord, nerves, blood, mucous membranes such as eyes, throat, stomach, urethra, etc. Periosteum, bones, kidney, liver, gastrointestinal tract are also susceptible to the action of this great remedy. Ailments are from apprehension and fear, eating ice and ice cream, sugar or sugar candy, or any kind of mental stress and strain from tobacco, etc. It is generally a left-sided remedy, that is, the symptoms are aggravated on left side, except the chest complaints which are aggravated lying on right side. The patient is of hydrogenate constitution of bilious temperament and is a hot patient, that is, the symptoms are aggravated in warm environment, except gastric symptoms which are brought on by taking cold. Always think of Argentum nitricum on seeing withered, dried up, old-looking patients, whereas thin scrawny look is the feature of sickle cornutum. There is great apprehension when ready for church, opera, examination, or public meeting. Diarrhea sets in like gelsemium. This is so-called nervous diarrhea. It is a good remedy for examination funk like gelsemium and aethusa, wherein there is frequent loss of memory due to anxiety and fear. He thinks time passes slowly as in cannabis indica, illumina, medorinum, and is impulsive, wants to do things in a hurry, must walk fast, is always hurried, anxious, irritable, nervous like aurum met, lilium tigrinum. Suicidal tendency prevails on him. When crossing high places, bridge, or looking out through a window, the impulse comes on him to jump down from it. It is indicated in acute or chronic diseases from unusual or long continued mental exertion. There is emaciation progressing every year, most marked in lower extremities, as in ammonium muriaticum and also marasmus. Defective coordination of muscles, as in gelsemium. Another symptom of Argentum nitricum is great longing for fresh air, as in Amylinum nitrosum, pulsatilla, and sulfur. Patients feel chilly when uncovered, yet feels smothered if wrapped up, and craves fresh air. Pains of Argentum nitricum increases and decreases gradually. Headache is of congestive type with fullness and heaviness with sense of expansion, habitual or gastric in origin of literary men, from dancing, hemicrania, pressive screwing in frontal eminence of temple, ending in bilious vomiting, which is aggravated from any exhaustive mental labor during menstruation and bright light, and is ameliorated by pressure or tight bandaging, as in Epis and Pulsatilla, also ameliorated by sitting in dark room, open air, cold application, or by complete mental rest. Eyes are affected with acute granular conjunctivitis. Appearance is scarlet red, like raw beef, and discharges profuse and mucopurulent. Argentum nitricum is a wonderful remedy for ophthalmia neonatorum, in which the discharge is profuse, purulent, corneas are opaque, ulcerated, lids are sore, thick, swollen, agglutinated in morning, like Epis, Mercurius, and Rustrox. The 200th or 1000th potency in watery solution as a topical application in ophthalmia neonatorum has relieved when the crude silver nitrate failed. Eye strain from sieving, which is aggravated in warm room, ameliorated in open air like natrum mur and ruta, and also aggravated by bright light and sitting by the side of fire. And in diseases due to defective accommodation, it can be indicated in one who has suddenly taken on far-sightedness, not because of old age but something that should be cured. There is a sensation of a splinter in throat when swallowing, as in Dolichos pruriens, Hepar sulf, Nitricum acidum, and Silesia. At once you will see its close relation to Hepar. In Argentum nitricum, he wants to be in a cold room, wants cold air, and to swallow cold things, but in Hepar, he wants warm things to drink, a warm clothing, warm room, and cannot put even his hand out of bed, or his throat will begin paining him. Things you see just exactly opposite, but they both have sticks in the throat. In dry chronic catarrh, alumina and natramur have sticks in the throat, but in red throat with tumefaction and pain, argentum nitricum and hepar sulf are better. Nitricum acidum, hepar sulf and argentum nitricum are the most striking remedies for the fish bone sensation. Many remedies have sticking in the throat, but these are the most prominent. Craves sugar, child is fond of it, but diarrhea results from eating, as in Lycopodium, cinna, and sulfur. So marked is the aggravation from sugar that nursing infant will get a green diarrhea if the mother eats candy. Calcaria fos patients craves salt or smoked meat, and craving for salt is also present in carboveg, natramur, and phosphorus. Belching accompanies most gastric ailments, and mouth tastes coppery like ink.